Hey guys, so today I'm going to try to wash this sample bucket hat that I've been using for a while now. It's filthy dirty, there's foundation stains all around the rim. So I'm just filling the sink up with some lukewarm water, and then I put some nappy sand vanish action as recommended by my mother. She said to put about half a scoop in, so that's what I'm doing. And then I just swish that around in that, look how pretty that is. So I just flip the hat inside out because I'm trying to focus on the inside mainly. And then I just dip that in that bubbly water. And I just let that soak for a little bit. And then I got a toothbrush and I scrubbed that really hard all around the rim, all where the toughest stains were. And I mean, this did the trick. Well, I mean, well, let's hope this does the trick. You guys don't know yet. But I let that soak for about 15 minutes. And then I took it out and I put it in a towel and I just kind of gently rolled it up to like get the most of the water out. And then I just put it outside in the sun, fingers crossed, and it came out perfectly. The stains were gone and I'm so happy. So thanks for watching.